Welcome. This is part 2 of pivot table in Excel. In this video we shall learn how to group data, how to apply filters, how to use slicers and how to convert your pivot table into a graphical pivot table chart. Let's see how. Let's suppose we have given a task to get total sales month-wise. We will first add our pivot table. We will add date column into rows and total sales into values. And now you can see that the pivot table is giving us date wise data. It is unable or it is very difficult to analyze month wise data. What we will do, we have to convert our date column into months. We will right click on this date column, go to groups, and now you can see that in this form it is given us the starting date and ending date of our entire range, and then it is given group by seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, quarters and years. It is as per your choice. Right now we will use months, but you can also use more than one criteria as well. So I am giving months. Click OK, and now you can see that our data is arranged month wise. Now we have got month wise total sales. Let's see what we can do with filters. Filters add a functionality to focus on data without changing the pivot table. Let's see how. Click on pivot table. From pivot table, let's see, we want to get the data region wise. Filter the data region wise. I'll drag the region column into filters, and now right now we have data all region wise. Let's suppose we need to get data by a single region. Click north, press OK, and now you are watching total monthly sales in the north region only. You can get the region sale in more than 2 regions as well. And now you can see that we have got north and west region month wise total sales. I am clearing this. The next thing is slicers. Slicers are graphical representation of filters and they are also clickable. Let's see how. Go to analyze, click this insert slicer, and here you can add slicer as per your choice. Let's suppose I am going to add two slicers. One is sale person and one is category. Click OK, and we have got two slicers. First I will show you their functionality, then we can do it in minor formatting to make it more visually appealing. Let's suppose we want to see the same data like month wise total sale for all region by only one salesperson. Let's click on this. Now you can see that our data is changed and we are watching right now our data by only one salesperson. I'm going to clear it. Let's see the data by another salesperson. So slicers add a clickable filter option for you. Let's see, if you want to see in only clothing category, you can click and your data is changed. If you want to see in electronics category, your data is changed. Click clear. Let me show you some formatting option for slicers. Click on the slicer, go to options, and here if you want to see your data in more than one column, I click 2, 3, 4, expand it, and you can see that our data is arranged into 4 columns. Similarly, in salesperson, we can also make it data as per our choice. I will drag it, I will make it like this, and now our data is arranged like this kind of charities. So these were the slices. Now let's do with the last thing, that is pivot table charts. Adding charts to your data, always add the graphical representation, which are further useful for making dashboards and graphical reports. Let's see how. Click on Insert tab, go to pivot table chart, expand it, click on pivot table, go to Insert tab, click on pivot table chart, expand this chart, and from here you can select graph of as per your choice and as per your requirement. So I will go with the basic one, that is a column chart, clustered column chart. I will press OK, and now you can see that our chart is there. This is the same representation of our pivot table. We can further do some formatting in it, like we can add axis, we can add data labels, we can add data table into it, errors, grid lines, legend. We can remove and add legend, and we can add timeline series as well. We can also hide these controls. Right click and hide all button on the chart. You can change the chart title, and further you can do a lot of formatting on this chart. So that's all for today. In the next video, which will be part 3 of pivot table, we shall learn some advanced topic like adding calculated columns, top end analysis, and some graphical formatting for the reports. See you in the next one. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with others to help them.